Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove your Steam browser history. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log into your account. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window. You'll see a menu option labeled Steam. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this drop-down menu, select Settings. This will open up Steam's main settings window where you can customize various aspects of your Steam experience. Once the settings window opens, you'll notice a left panel with different categories of settings. Look for the option labeled In-Game and click on it. This section contains all the settings related to your gaming experience, including overlay options and browser data. It's where Steam stores preferences for how games interact with the Steam interface and how the built-in browser functions. Now, you'll need to scroll down through the in-game settings page. As you scroll, you're looking for a specific option that manages your browser data. Keep scrolling until you find Delete Web Browser Data. This feature is designed to clear all the browsing history, cache, and cookies that have accumulated from using Steam's built-in web browser. Right next to this option, you'll see a button labeled Delete. Go ahead and click on it to initiate the deletion process. After clicking Delete, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. This is Steam's way of making sure you really want to clear all your browser data, as this action cannot be undone. The pop-up will ask you to confirm your decision. Simply click Confirm to proceed with deleting all your Steam browser history and data. Once you confirm, Steam will immediately clear all your browsing data from its system. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your Steam browser history, giving you a fresh start with your Steam browser. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.